Yay! Eskele baby, tiole baby. Oh my god. Hi, my people. How have you been? It's been a while here, and I am so glad to be back to you guys. How have you been? I hope you've been good. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, I say welcome to our world. Yeah. Today, what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be showing you how I made these very sumptuous egusi soup with vegetable that is very good for weight loss. Yes, I mean it. So if you want to know, keep watching. You're welcome back. So my people, I'll just go straight to the point. This soup that I'm cooking is very good for weight loss. The first thing is to boil my fish. I am using Titus fish. I just washed it and put it in water. So as I allow it boil a little bit, I opened it and I then add my locust beans, iru, and then I have my grated onion. I grated the onion and then my blended egusi, my blended melon. So I'm just going to mix the grated onion with the blended melon, and then I added a little more locust beans because I just wanted to have that bottom pot taste. So I'm going to be mixing this together. I'm going to be mixing it together. You know, I said it's good for weight loss because it doesn't have much of oil apart from the melon. I'm just going to be adding a lot of vegetables. Just a little melon, the vegetable is actually more than the melon. You're going to understand what I'm trying to say as you keep watching. So I'm mixing my melon, my onion, and my locust beans, and then I added my seasoning cube. You saw when I added the seasoning cube. So I'm just going to be mixing everything together thoroughly to make it very thick. It's not going to be powder again. And then I opened my soup again because this is like a water and the fish with the locust beans, so it's boiled, everything has boiled together. So I'm putting the melon now. That's the melon I'm putting. I'm making it in form of a ball, and I'm just putting it into the boiling fish, water, and locust beans. Why am I doing it? Because I want, when my soup is ready, I want the melons to be boily. You understand what I'm saying? I want it to be boily. I want it to have a ball shape, and I want it to be able to be edible, so that you hold this and then you can chew it. Now I'll cover it and let it cook. Yeah, it has cooked, and this is what we have again. After a few seconds, this is what we have. I am just adding my grinded pepper. Yes, that's dried chili pepper that I'm adding. If you look at it very well, you will see that it's now boiling and it's looking like a cheese. You know what a cheese is? So the melon is looking like a cheese now, and the fishes are already cooked. The melon is looking cheesy, it's looking boily, and then we have water in there. This is really yummy. If you taste, I've not even tasted it, I can feel the yumminess. Like it's going to be so yummy. Like, but when I finally ate it gone, before I share the video to guys. Yeah, before I finish, I forgot what I'm doing. So I'm removing my fish now. My fishes, I use Titus fish, so you know it's very fragile, so I don't want all the fish to break. So I'm removing them, so that by the time I am mixing my vegetable and my melon, I will not have my fishes broken, and then I want them to be holdable and presentable when I serve it. Yeah, right now I'm just going to be putting a little bit of palm oil. Yes, I'm trying to shake my palm oil so that it would not, if it had settled, I can get it well mixed. So I am shaking, I'm putting my palm oil now. You guys, I'm not serious, don't mind me. So I just added 3 spoons of palm oil. That cooking spoon is not a big one, it's a very small one, so the palm oil is not many. This egusi soup is water based. You can see that we started cooking it with water, so it's water based and it's very very good. So as it's boiling together, everything is boiled, and this is our vegetable ugu leaf, and that also known as pumpkin leaf, and that's what we are adding into the veggies, into the melon soup. As the soup has boiled very well, it's cooked, and then make sure that the egusi has been cooked, because I'm not going to leave my ugu. Once I mix it with the melon, I'm bringing it down, it's ready. I'm not cooking the ugu, like I'm just mixing it so that it should still be fresh and it will still be healthy. So, and then I said it's very good for weight loss, because it will not allow you to keep excess fat in your body. There is no much palm oil there. The egusi is not more than the vegetable. Everything is in aggregate form, everything is accurate, and it's really yummy. Like, can't you just see? It's looking healthy, it's not looking too messy, no much palm oil puchu puchu puchu, and it's so good, and it's really really healthy, and it was yummy. If you have tasted you understand what I'm saying, because this thing is on top of my hair, and ori owo lo wa. If you understand what I mean, torí ọbẹ̀ yìí, hey, eskele bèbè tí ò lé bèbè. Ó dùn o, as in it was really really yummy. Like, so kí ni mò ń sọ lọ? Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe irú ọbẹ̀ yìí fún ọkọ ẹ, like you would love to cook this kind of soup for your oga, click on subscribe, because more and more are available on this channel. Like, what have you? So what are we going to use to roll this our semo down? It's our roll this our obe down. This our vegetable soup, vegetable melon soup is semo. So that is the semo that I'm making now. Like, it's not a joking matter in this video today. It's not a joking matter at all. Welcome to my kitchen once again. I am making semo. I just made a paste with the semo powder, and I poured the paste into my boiling water, and that's what I am mixing now. I'm mixing the solution. You know what I'm saying? I go chemistic. So, to be serious, I made a paste with the semo powder because I don't know how to make it straight, and I know there are a couple of people that might not be able to make it straight like that when it's made. If it was just for 1 or 2 people, I could just put the powder into the boiling water and it will be fine. But if I have to make for more than 2 people, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, I have to make a paste with the semo powder with a cold water before I now mix the paste. I pour the paste into my boiling water and then I mix, and that method is very very good if you want to make a semo for many people. So after me putting my powder paste into the boiling water, I'm just going to leave it to cook well as I mix at intervals, so that it will not takoko so that there will not be balls. There will be no balls in the semo. Biko, manage the grammar. I'm sure you are getting my message. So if you love what's happening here, we cooking semovita, and we are making semovita swallow, and we have already cooked our melon vegetable soup that is good for weight loss, and we are just going to roll it down with our semo, and it's going to be so yummy. If you like what you're watching, you like what's going on here, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. What am I doing now? I am pouring the powder, because that one is like a pottage. It's too pottage. it's too watery, so I had to put more powdered semo and mix all together so that it would now form a morsel, something that can be swallowed. And you can see now that it has become okele. Yeah, it has become okele and it is swallowable now with the efo elegusi. Oh my god. Yes, so I believe it was really fun in the kitchen today. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. My name is Victoria, as you know, and you're welcome to my channel if it's your first time. If you're always tuning in, you know I love you so much. Mwah! Make sure that you share this video with your friends, like it, turn on the notifications so that each time I cook new foods, you will be one of the first people to see it. And if you are new here, we hug you and we love you so much. Thank you and God bless you.